Hi, I'm Roberta Sand, the Marketing Director at Garrett Leather. At Garrett Leather, we'll help you learn the differences between our products so you can be sure to select the best one for your client. Here we have Distressed, which is consistently one of our top-selling products. Like your favorite pair of jeans, Distressed has a well-worn look and a soft, comfortable feel. It has a light wax finish, which offers some moisture resistance. The hides are then tumbled in a drum. The tumbling softens the hides as well as breaks up the waxes to create beautiful color variations and give it its signature distressed look. Distressed receives all of its color from our fiber dye process, where the dyes penetrate the entire thickness of the hide. Like all pure aniline products, natural markings such as neck wrinkles may appear anywhere from 1/4 down to 1/3 of the hide, and color variations will appear throughout the entire hide. Distressed passed antibacterial testing. It is recommended for all upholstery applications, including high-traffic areas. Distressed will show signs of wear and will age beautifully, developing a rich patina over time. If you would like to learn more about Distressed or any of our products, please contact us.